me head that you're missing out. We're here at the annual car show here in Baldwin, and guys, it's crazy. Look around you, look behind me, guys. I got eyeballs, I got attention. We're here with the big truck, the big Kahuna, the showstopper. That's right, digital promo, DPTV, new platform. Guys, you're looking to promo your business. Here's what that. You want to be in the big screen? Holler at me, 516-718-3788, and let's get your business up and popping today. Wepa! This is on steroids. What kind of car is this?
Maxima.
A Maxima on steroid. He's like the SEEEE model. We're on steroid with ballers like this. Guys, I'm telling you, you're missing out. Yo, how do you hear about the car show?
It's great. It's great.
Yo, do you see that big LED truck in the front called Digital Promo? Do you see it?
No, I didn't.
Yo, bro, how the fuck you missed that? It's a big fucking truck with LED signs.
No, I didn't see it.
I know you saw it, but how do you think about something like that will help the local business community and the car show community?
It will. It'll help them.
All right, bro. Well. Yo, bro, have a good day. What's your name?
Cliff.
Cliff. Nice to meet you, brother. Wepa! Mi gente, guys, I'm talking about promotion. Listen, I'm promoting on a top 10 tier. Talking about promotion on steroids, this is promotion promo on steroids, guys. If you're here in the South Nassau and you're looking to promote your business and you want eyeballs and you want attention, you want to make money, papa? Well, guys, holla at Louie the Baldwin, the Hvac Poppy. That's right, your promo poppy here at Digital Promo, DPTV. We're creating this new platform for you. That's right, all you entrepreneurs, business owners, or anybody put a message out there, I don't care what it is, hit me up, 516-718-3788, or you can hit Louie the Baldwin on Google, on YouTube. Hey, just Google Louie the Baldwin and you'll find me quickly. Wepa!